Today, I'm addressing one of the questions I get asked quite often. Can your thesis statement be a question? Find out right now. By the way, I'm Terrell, and this is Absolutely Studying. I bootstrapped my way through university while juggling a full-time job and a family, and now I want to pay it forward. I want to supply you with all of the resources and support you need to flourish in your academic career. Let me know what your proposed thesis statement is in the comments below. While you're down there, pick up my essay checklist. It'll guide you through the entire essay writing process. It's free and it's in the description. So let's just get into it. Can you use a question for a thesis statement? And the answer is, I wouldn't if I were you. Your thesis statement is a statement. It's a statement of fact. That's why it's called a thesis statement. Asking a question is not going to really help you to set up the reasoning behind what you're trying to prove. Throughout the course of the essay, you want to prove the thesis. And if you set it up as a question, then how are you going to prove it, even if it's rhetorical? Your thesis should be phrased as a statement. It is your opinion. You have to formulate it before you go through the rest of the writing process. If you have a great question and it's phrased perfectly and you need to use it, try setting up your thesis statement with the question. So pose the question and then answer it with the thesis statement and go on to write your essay from there. If you are in the process of writing an essay, check out this video here. It is about the basic structure and organization of an essay. It should help clarify any other questions you need about how to set it up and why each part of the essay goes in its particular location. And to help you along with the essay writing process, make sure you click the description and pick up that essay writing checklist. It's going to help you through the entire process, step by step, even editing and proofreading all the way through the submission of your essay. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. I do put out a new video every Thursday, and they are always about homework help, organizational tips, or study tips to help you through the study struggle. I also have a website that has a ton of useful articles and resources. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing adventure.